If you've only worked a traditional in-person job, you may not know the number of easy ways to make money online. These range from side gigs to full-time work. If you're wondering how to make money online for beginners, we've curated a list of places to start. And as a bonus, these don't need any advanced skills or a large upfront investment. We're going to go over some of the best ways to earn money online, from surveys and games to freelancing and selling digital products. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback to improve their products and services. They pay users to take online surveys, which typically take just a few minutes. In exchange, participants earn points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Some of the best survey sites we recommend include Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, GoBranded, YouGov, and MyPoints. You don't need any experience or special skills. It's both a quick and flexible way to earn. Cons: earnings are relatively low. Some sites disqualify users from surveys, which limits earning potential. Certain mobile games offer real cash rewards for playing. Some games let users compete in skill-based tournaments where they can win money, while others provide small earnings just for playing regularly. A few of the best money-making games are Solitaire Cash, Bingo Cash, and Solitaire Smash. To see the Penny Hoarder's full list of games that pay real money, check here. Let's talk about the pros and cons of gaming as a way to make money. Pros: you can earn extra cash while doing something fun. Plus, there's no large upfront investment needed. Cons: your winnings will depend on your gameplay skills. And well, some apps do require deposits for tournaments. Now let's dive into using money-making apps. These apps reward people just like you for doing simple tasks like shopping, scanning receipts, answering surveys, testing apps, or trying new services. Here are some money-making apps we recommend. Up-Level Rewards, which is mobile only, and Free Cash. You can see our full list of favorite money-making apps right here. Pros: doesn't require any advanced skills. No upfront costs. Cons: you need to use the apps consistently to see a high payout. Microtask platforms pay users for small jobs like data entry, transcription, or labeling images to train AI systems. While these tasks are relatively simple, they do require time and consistency. Examples of Microtask websites: Amazon Mechanical Turk, also known as MTurk, Clickworker, Appen, and Lionbridge. Pros: no special skills required, and small earnings can add up over time. Cons: tasks are somewhat repetitive and low-paying. Selling items you no longer need is one of the fastest ways to make money. Clothes, electronics, furniture, and collectibles all have potential buyers online. Best platforms for selling items: eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark for clothing, and Declutter for electronics. Pros: it's one of the fastest ways to get cash. And, no special skills are required. Cons: it's limited to the items you own. Plus, posting listings takes effort. With Print on Demand, you create designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. The platform prints and ships the product when a customer orders, so you never have to handle inventory. Best print-on-demand services: Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring. Alright, let's talk about the pros and cons of print-on-demand. Pros: no upfront inventory costs. Can potentially become passive income. Cons: requires marketing to get consistent sales. Some websites and apps pay users to watch promotional videos, movie trailers, or advertisements. The earnings are small but require minimal effort. Platforms that pay you to watch videos include Cashkick and Free Cash. Alright, let's talk about the pros and cons of watching videos to make money online. Pros: it's extremely easy and there's no sign-up cost. But on the flip side, the cons are that the earnings per video are quite low. Companies want feedback on their websites and apps to improve user experience. They pay testers to navigate through platforms and provide insights on functionality and usability. Now, the best usability testing sites include User Testing, Respondent.io, and TryMyUI. These platforms are great for getting started with usability testing. Pros: high earning potential ranging from $10 to $60 per test, plus no advanced skills are required. Cons: test availability depends on demographics. Freelancing allows you to use your skills in writing, graphic design, or data entry for pay. Even if you're a beginner, you can find clients looking for basic services. Best platforms for freelancers: Fiverr, Upwork, and People Per Hour. Pros: high earning potential, no upfront costs. Cons: requires effort to build a client base. Need a basic understanding of the service you're offering. Virtual assistants help businesses and entrepreneurs with administrative tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, and social media management. Platforms for virtual assistants: Zirtual, Belay, Fiverr. Pros: no certain degree required. This could turn into a full-time remote career. Cons: clients may require flexible availability. You need project management skills. Tips for making money online as a beginner. There are plenty of online side hustles for beginners. Even though they're novice-friendly, there are certain habits that will set you up for success. Start small and experiment. Try multiple options to see what works best for you. Be wary of scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Stick to reputable platforms. Stay consistent. Many online income streams require time and effort before they pay off. Set realistic expectations. Making money online isn't always instant. Some methods require persistence. Learn basic digital skills. Understanding SEO, social media marketing, or basic graphic design can help maximize earnings. Diversify your income. Combine multiple methods like surveys, freelancing, and selling digital products for better results. Subscribe now and start turning your financial dreams into reality.